welcome back. So in this time I want to show you how to create animation in Photoshop 2025. So let's start. Create a new file and go to film and video, select HD and set the resolution 72, set the color RGB and write here your animation name. So click on create, and now I need to show you how to create framing tween animation. It means you must open a photo like this. Take a look. This is a simple vector city, and let's select a simple vector car. Open, and now select the city, drag and drop here. Zoom out, hold Alt key on keyboard, make width of it big size and set here. Click on apply, and now hold Alt key, make a copy like this. Select both layer, right click, merge layers, and now you have large city and street. Go back to this layer. The car is PNG. Move and drag and drop right there. Change the size and set here. Click on apply. Select change the size, set here and apply. So and now time to make animation. Go to window and select timeline and move the car out of frame. So click on create video timeline, click on frame. Set the timing no delay, and now click create second frame and move the car from right to left side and select image, Alt Shift, move image from left to right side. And now I need to make a video by going to click on option, click on tween. Set the frame. If you need a 1 second video, set 30 frames per second. If you need a 2 second video, you must set 60 frame for 2 seconds. Click on OK. Let's play. Not bad. So if you need to add more car, Ctrl Z, select this layer, everything is okay. Close your other layers and go back to file, click on open. So let's find another second car. Select this one. So this car is not PNG. You must go to select menu, select subject. Take a look. The select subject is off. Some commands are off. So how to solve this problem? You must look first at the layer. The layer is index color. It means you must go back to image, go to mode, select RGB, and now go back to select menu, select subject. Okay, go back to edit menu, select copy. Let's select this part of the car by select quick selection, positive. Select this part of the car, hold Alt key, deselect this part and go back to edit, copy and paste here. So select, move to our selection, change the size and set here. Click on apply, and now I need to make animation for both car and for the street. I mean for the cam. Create second frame, move this car from left to right side, hold Shift key, set there and move. Select the red car and move, select by mouse, set here and select the city, move the city right here. Okay, set 2 second video, I mean 60 frame. Click OK. Let's play. So there is a little bit need to set the layer up and down. I mean select this layer 1, move up. Let's select the first layer. Let's create again tween frames, 60. Okay, play again. Let's see. Great. Okay guys, and now if you need to save into video, you must go back to file and go to export, select render video. Select the render video and select the format H264. I mean MP4 standard format of video. Wait for initializing video export. Okay, go to select the folder, select desktop, select, and now select the format H264 and click on render and wait for export. Let's go to desktop. Let's see. This is the video we created by Photoshop. Double click and double click. This is for 2 seconds animation. Take a look. In 2 seconds, double click, play again. Too much fast. So the simple tween frame animation in Photoshop. So guys, let's go to another type of Photoshop animation.